My name is Dr. Zach Mueller, Medical City Healthcare North Texas Division Chief Nursing Executive. I was asked to connect with you on the topic of endurance and well-being. This is in alignment with the launch of the Leadership Institute's Thrive Forward digital toolkit for leaders that is now available on Atlas. The toolkit contains a variety of resources, formats, and time investments to appeal to individual needs and preferences. But before I speak more about the toolkit, I'd like to share a little bit more about my personal journey. On October 20th, 2019, my life changed in a way I will never forget. An EF3 tornado with winds approximating 145 miles per hour directly struck our home while myself, our dog, and my husband were huddled in one of our bathrooms. It was the only place in the house that wasn't destroyed. It destroyed our home. And when we were huddled in the bathroom, I was thinking how I might die. How do I protect my loved ones? After the event, I had to work towards picking up the physical pieces of my life, and I began to struggle with anxiety, fear, flashbacks, and post-traumatic stress. It took me months to realize that I needed professional help, and many more to know when I would be able to accept that help. Like many of you, I work out for my physical health, I use prayer for my spiritual health, I have positive relationships for my emotional health. I had never really focused on my mental health, but now I see a counselor for my mental health. Since beginning counseling, I am now able to recognize triggers for PTSD and how to manage my response, and I am in such a better place now. I needed that support for my mental health. As compassionate clinicians, it's in our nature to take care of others. To best take care of our patients, we must also take care of ourselves. It is okay to not be okay. Asking for help is a sign of strength. We've all experienced trauma over the last year. I'm going to encourage you to address that trauma by leveraging our Thrive Forward toolkit through HCA Healthcare, where there are 45 different endurance and well-being resources in a variety of formats that are easy to use for yourself and to share with your teams. Please take the time to care for yourself. It's the first step in creating greater personal endurance and well-being. Together, we can thrive forward.